Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the hatch shocks or hatch supports on my girlfriend's 2013 Kia Rio. So we picked some of these up from Rock Auto. During the winter time, her hatch shocks were showing some wear where it didn't hold up the hatch anymore. So that's why we decided to just replace them with some new ones. So let's get started. So as you can see, the hood shocks are actually quite worn. They're not lifting it up as easy anymore. And during the winter time, it actually did not lift the hatch. It fell on us. So this is why we're replacing it. So as you can see, it's really easy to actually remove one of these things. So this clip here, all you do is just pry it out and you can pop them off this joint here. And it's the same for the bottom. So you just need a small little screwdriver and you will pop it off. Now, before you do that, you should have somebody holding the hatch up. Otherwise, it might fall on you while you're doing this. So we'll get the new one ready first, and then we're gonna pop this one off, and then we're gonna replace one side at a time. All right, so we're gonna start by prying off this bottom one. So the clip just comes out a little bit, and then you could actually pop it off like that. The same with the top. Just like that. And it comes off. Now you probably want to clean this and maybe add a little bit of lubricant in there because it does have some white lithium grease in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some brake cleaner, wipe this off, and then we're going to add some grease to it. So just a little bit of grease. And then to clip the new one on, all you really do is, well, let's clip the bottom first. You can just push it in, or just push and clips in. And same with the top. Lift it up a little bit more. Like that, and it's clipped in. Now we repeat the process on the other side, and then we're done. And done. As you can see, it's so much more strong. It actually uses a lot more force to close now. I know. Just like that, brand new shocks. So there you go, guys. That's how you would replace some hatch struts or hatch supports on a 2013 Kia Rio. I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.